Hello everyone, welcome back to JN Electric YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about an integrated amplifier MaRaNtZ because so many people ask me about it. We will talk a lot about this integrated amplifier, specifically in terms of technique, power capacity, features, some of the internal components inside the box. The release date is late September 2024, Vietnam's. The Model 60N is a network integrated amplifier packed with MaRaNtZ latest technology. The Model 60N is an attractive unit not only for audio fans, but also for general users who want to enjoy high-quality sound with simple operation. Model 60N ideal for those who want to enjoy high-quality sound but also value ease of use and installation. A versatile model that allows you to enjoy movie and music in a balanced way. Check it out. On the left rear of the integrated amplifier unit is a printed circuit board of the SMPS power supply. The driver IC of this power supply SMPS is TOP264-271 top switch JX family integrated offline switcher with EcoSmart technology. For highly efficient power supply. The main function of this SMPS power supply is to supply voltage to the main board. When you open the top cover of this integrated amplifier unit, you will find a HEOS link card located on the top right. The HEOS link is a network audio player to expand your sonic board. It adds music streaming functionality to your existing amplifier or power speaker and open up a whole new world of music sources. With HEOS, you will be able to enjoy Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music HD, Pandora, Tidal, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, SiriusXM, Deezer, and more via Wi-Fi, and HEOS built-in product allow you to AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth connection if you love great sound. When you open the top cover of this integrated amplifier unit, you will find a transformer located on the front left. The Model 60N is equipped a large capacity toroidal transformer with a shielded case to stably supply clean current and to withstand momentary high current demands. In order to suppress leakage magnetic flux that adversely affects sound quality, it is double shielded with an aluminum short ring that suppresses vertical magnetic flux leakage and a silicon steel shield to suppress horizontal magnetic flux leakage. This toroidal transformer has dimension of 116 mm in diameter and 85 mm in height. The secondary voltage of this transformer is 35.2 VAC, center tap 35.2 VAC with a current of 3.95 ampere. And when you open the top cover of the MaRaNtZ 60N integrated amplifier unit, in the center there is a mechanical heatsink part. The heatsink on the MaRaNtZ 60N is a mechanical component made of extruded aluminum with dimension of WHD 140 by 85 by 75 mm, where it functions to absorb heat from two rectifier diodes and 4 final transistors thermally coupled. Binding posts are connectors that are installed between the amplifier output PCB to external speaker output. The binding post implemented by MaRaNtZ is SPKT1+. This is custom and might be difficult to find on the market. MaRaNtZ newly designed exclusive SPKT 1 plus pure copper binding post speaker connector. Let's quickly open the top cover of the MaRaNtZ InTeGrArEd amplifier. On the main board, it uses SMD component and through-hole component. Volume up and down are controlled by integrated circuit NJU 72322 with digitally. Meanwhile, bass, treble, and balance control is regulated by the dual low noise operational amplifier of MiC via encoder potentiometer located on the front panel. Encoder can work on the various principles such as optical, magnetic, or mechanical. There are many cases that occur due to the conventional use of potentiometer, such as crackling sound. From the input and output of the main transformer, MaRaNtZ is distributed and distributes several different values on primary voltage that can vary usually on the rear panel level. This should be the same as the network voltage in your country. There are about 5 secondary voltage value data that you can see in this ongoing video. This is a nearly incredible Class AB integrated amplifier with enough power for the home, with enough dB to reach the corner of the room. The engineers at MaRaNtZ were very wise in choosing the rectifier diodes. They did not use conventional silicon diodes, but instead used Schottky diodes, which have a lower voltage drop. The implementation of the use of MaRaNtZ electrolytic capacitors is 15,000 microfarads at a working voltage of 63 volts. In my opinion, this is more than enough. Let's find out how much output efficiency this MaRaNtZ has. The efficiency turned out to be 62%, which is in the middle of Class AB. Phono equalizer preamplifier is a piece of card located on the right rear of the MaRaNtZ unit. The task of this card is to strengthen the input voltage from MM and MC, so requires less amplification before input to an amp. Thank you for watching. See you later.